You can't build a reputation on what you're going to do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars. Vision without execution is just hallucination. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year.